To the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this classic, it's an old classic game, Snakes and Ladders. So I used to play this during my childhood, and I have the small one that you could like fold and it's magnetic. But I'm playing this with my kids, so I opted for a bigger Snakes and Ladders. It's still magnetic, but it's around 12 inches long, so it's 12 by 12. So let's see the packaging. So it says here, suitable 2 to 4 people, playtime about 20 minutes, magnetic, and it's folding. So let's see the inside. So here it is. It is pretty big. So here's the board. The prints are pretty simple. Although it says magnetic, the side feels like it's plastic. So I think the magnetic part is just the top piece. So there it is. Comes with 4 little pieces. It's around, there's a little bit over an inch. And here is the actual board. My table is not really even, so it's not laying flat. There it is. I like that it's big because there are going to be like 5 of us playing this game. So here are the pieces. You could like start over here. And the kids are excited to play it already. So yes, it is magnetic. It's not a very strong magnet, but I don't think it's going to fall. So let me try the magnet. So it holds, as you can see, it holds. So it has enough strength of the magnet. And yeah, it's pretty simple. When you're done playing with it, you can just put the plastic pieces here, and you can like, if you're playing with more than 4 players, you could just use like a coin or something else. You could do that. So that is our unboxing for today. So you can see that snapped and it's closed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.